Hi guys, this is Purushot from Code Junction. So in this video, I'll be discussing about how to install Android SDK for your Flutter. So first of all, I would like to install Android Studio, where you can that's the place where we can find the Android SDK. So type Android Studio download, and you will be redirected to the first page if you click the first link. So this is the page. In the first portion of the website, you can see about the Android Studio IDE and what you can do and what's the characters and features of it. And these are some of the latest news and all the stuff you can get actually from the website. And as you see, here are the options if your machine is 64-bit or 32-bit, or if it's a Mac or Linux machine. So here it's Android Studio IDE with the SDK. So if you are an initial downloader with about MA to Android Studio, I would recommend you to click the first one. If you just need the IDE without no other SDK options, you can go with the second link. But I'm going to click the first button here, download Android Studio here. You just have to read the agreement. Okay, just mark it and click the download Studio for Windows. It will just start download as I have already done. It will just be the same procedure for the VS Code, and if you have installed it properly, this window would open up. I'm not going to start a new project here or opening an existing project. My main focus is about how to set up the SDK for the Flutter. So you can click the configure button here. In this drop down list, you can see plenty of options like setting plugins, all those stuff. But click the SDK manager here, and you'll be redirected to these kind of versions of SDK. There's plenty of SDK. Android versions are there. You can click whatever the SDK you would like, because all these things are upon your choice upon which SDK that you are going to work on with. So all these checked boxes are like I marked it because I was working previously on these versions. As you see, there are other options like not install, partial install, or even update available also there. So if you want to, for example, if you want to do 5.0 lollipop here, and if it's not installed, you just have to click it and the download option would occur, and you just have to click apply and click OK finally. Then the download would just start like within the seconds, and it would take about like minimum up to 10 to 15 minutes. So all you have to just wait patience, and it depends on your machine how long the download process or like installation process. As soon as you finish installing, you can go and check in your C folder or whatever the folder you are installing your SDK. I actually installed it in, where did I installed it? Oh, it's in the users, I guess. Yeah, users. Well, you can see it all in the location. Yeah, sorry guys. See users, app data. Okay, now I remember. See users, yeah, app data and local. And here I have there's a plenty of lot of files here. Yeah, Android is here, and yeah, SDK is already installed. As you see, the emulator already I have created the Pixel and one of iPhone X emulators as well. You can create the same procedure, it's easy. And fonts licenses as well. I'll be when introducing these platforms here. This is where those installed SDK version will be installed in a computer in this folder. So all these boxes are these installed files. So if you check Android 16 or 29, these are the latest version. For if it's Android 29, you don't have to worry, because 29 is the other name of like Pi version of Android. So if these files are installed properly, then you are good to go with Flutter. and if you retype the Flutter Doctor again, you wouldn't have the same error like the Android SDK is missing or any errors that is related to Android SDK. So that's it for this video. I'm just about to configure the SDK manager. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe. Thank you.